Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this RCZ in the GT specification. It's got pearlescent white paints, 19-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors and tinted rear windows. Inside the car you have full leather interior. The front seats are heated and their positioning is adjusted electronically, and you have memory function. There's also dual zone air conditioning, cruise control. The radio player has CD and also Bluetooth connectivity. The car comes with 1 year's warranty. So let's have a look around. So this car was originally sold by us from new and has regularly been serviced with ourselves. But if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.